about 2100 RPM before it shifts gears. It's got a nice whir in the background. And right around 2000 RPM, there's just a little bit of resonance starting, but in this driving mode, it's not harsh or obnoxious at this point. Now we're going to hop out on a road with a little higher speed limit, give it some juice, and see what acceleration sounds like. Alright, so wide open throttle definitely gives the sound of attitude. You definitely will be noticed when you hit the throttle and get at it. So really nice blend between having street manners at very low cruising speed, like right now, very low pedal input. But once you pedal it, it's got some game. Pretty cool. All right, now we're gonna pop on the highway and see what our highway driving experience is. Picking up any